How much of a role does protein play in good nutrition? Everyone knows that good nutrition is a very important concept and that all three macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates and fat, must be balanced in the diet for the best possible health. But does one of these nutrients mean more to the overall health of the body? Should you really be eating more of one nutrient than another? And, if you should, what is the best way to get that nutrient in your diet for the correct amount and best health? Nutrients in the right amounts for your own needs. Everybody has different physical needs, based on their health, their body composition and the medications that they are taking. For certain health conditions, especially metabolic disorders, a doctor and/or nutritionist will discuss the exact diet that you should be following. However, even for those who do not have any kind of condition, the need for proper nutrition is still important. In addition to considering health, it is important to keep in mind the body size and activity level will also help determine how much food is needed for best health, strength and performance. A 6-foot-tall bodybuilding man will need more calories and more of most nutrients as well than a 5-foot-tall woman who is only moderately active. They may both need more of these nutrients than an inactive person who is either male or female. All of these factors, height, weight, activity level and health, must be considered before the right amounts of foods and nutrients can be determined. The first number that be concerned with is your calorie count. This will determine the actual amount of food that you need to make sure that you are maintaining your weight if you are at a healthy weight or losing weight if you are overweight. Do not think you have to drastically reduce your calories to manage to lose this weight. It only takes a small reduction of calorie intake per day plus an increase in activity to have a slow, steady and healthy weight loss. What protein can really do? While it is important to get the right amount of each nutrient in your diet, you should know that protein plays a role in every cell and every function of the human body. Proteins themselves are digested by the body through a series of involved functions and then changed into separated amino acids. From these amino acids, the body uses chemical reactions to create new amino acids, hormones and enzymes. The body has set needs for proteins each day, needing new supplies of amino acids every day because like other nutrients, they are not stored by the body. If the body does not get the protein that it needs in the right amount, it will send out strong signals that may cause overeating and weight gain. Protein plays a role in the blood itself, creating red blood cells that are made of protein. In addition, protein plays a role in maintaining blood pressure as well as the pH balance of the blood. Because antibodies are also made of proteins, they play a role in the immune system too. Proteins play a major role in the building of lean muscle mass, connective tissue, bone matrix and maintaining a fluid balance to prevent dehydration and other problems. Source: Lisa Nelson, Protein and Heart Health, How Much Do You Need? Health Central, High Blood Pressure iconic.com, November 30, 2009. Protein sources: all protein, in any form, comes from either plant or animal sources. All animal sources of protein are complete, meaning that they have all of the needed amino acids while nearly all of the plant protein sources are lacking one or the other of these amino acids. Soy protein is the exception to this rule and does have all the amino acids. Soy comes in a number of different forms and can be beneficial for a number of health conditions. Everybody knows the meats are protein sources, but they may not realize that there are better choices. For example, people can get their protein from plants as well as in supplement forms. Whether you're eating foods to lose weight or not, your choices in protein should be as lean as possible, reducing the risk of heart disease and other chronic health conditions. In addition to protein from foods like meats, fish, dairy and plants, getting proteins from supplements can be beneficial, especially to those who spend most of their day on the run. Protein supplements. Most people automatically think of powdered protein supplements that come in the huge containers when they hear protein supplement. While those are certainly a viable option, they are by no means the only choice. There are shakes, enhanced waters, puddings and very small protein shots that only take a few seconds to consume. One of these, ProfectR from Protica, is less than 3 fluid ounces in size but has 25 grams of protein, more than other protein supplements that are twice as big. Good nutrition for everybody. A case study: Evelyn and her husband Rick are both in fairly good health, but they are not getting around to eating meals the way they should each day. Because they are very busy, they either grab food from fast food drive-through windows or skip meals altogether. However, the doctor suggests that both of them try to reduce the amount of fatty, fried foods in their diet and to slightly increase their protein intake. They agree to use a ProfectR shot while they are out and about, which while small and quick to consume, gives them both a good amount of protein as well as helping them to stay full for longer, eliminating the need to eat junk that can harm their health. Because ProfectR is heat stable, they can leave the shots in the car without worry that it will be adversely affected.